Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. Now in this video we're going to take a look at another platform which is basically different from the ones that I've presented on this channel. Right, and this platform basically works only in the United States. It is called Papa.com. So what happens here? So what this platform basically does is to provide social support to members of the communities in the US, right? Like for example, taking care of the elderly, or assisting parents and helping with children, dogs, pets, and providing comfort and things of that nature. So that is what this does. So you have different people that basically participate here. You've got health planners, you've got the employers, and you've got the clients as well. So as I've said, like, you'll be providing companion care. As they've stated here, that Papa Pals provide vital social support, companion care to strengthen families, help older adults remain connected, and support diverse communities. Right, they promote independence, reduce inequalities for marginalized communities, cure loneliness, improve outcomes, things like that. So as an employee, you'll be the one providing these services at a price, right? There are certain rates that you're supposed to charge to provide these services. So I did some research on this platform and it is basically legit, right? As you can see, the reviews, it is 4.2 out of 939. So most of them are actually great reviews. Now how it works. So as I've said, like, this platform is only available to people that live in the US. So if you live in the US, then you have a greater chance of getting participating on this platform. And also you have to meet certain requirements as well. Now for this process, if you are a person that is in need of the service, you have to go through these steps to be able to get the service that you want, right? Now for a worker, you have to come to this page, right? Papa.com. Scroll on the bottom. As a worker, you are supposed to click on be a Papa Pal, right? That is what you will be working as. So they do have some job opportunities, like for long-term career path, but as I've said, most in the US. So now as a worker, you're supposed to go through these steps in order to apply, right? And as I've said, like, you'll be a Papa Pal or a Pal. So you're supposed to provide like the information. You have like a valid US state government issued driver's license. You're supposed to have a vehicle that is 2009 or newer, and you're supposed to answer questions that they're going to present to you so that they could determine if you're a good fit. And you're supposed also to conduct some sort of a training. They have to verify your details to ensure that you are not maybe criminal or something like that, or you don't have that, all the things that they need to check, right? Then once you approve, you have to open the app or to view the video, add the bank information, and basically get paid when you do the work, right? So working as a Papa Pal is basically great for most people, right? They say it is a win-win situation. So you earn money while our community members get friendly helping hand, taking care of all people in your community, helping them, the disabled, and things of that nature. So you help people and get paid for it. And according to this one, say earn extra money. Pals earn a base rate of $15 or $13 to $18 per hour, plus bonuses and a one-way commute mileage to each visit. So yeah, it's something that you can try, especially if you are in the US. I've seen different rates here. For this one, they say Pals earn on average $22 per hour. So yeah, I've seen kind of different rates. So what you'll assist with: companionship, meal preparation, errands, house tasks. So these are some of the things that you'll be doing. So you might consider this as a side gig for yourself. So these are some of the people that actually have worked on Papa Pal, and these are some of the testimonials. Meet Benny and his Pal Marco. Benny, a retired construction worker, looks forward to his weekly coffee and Spanish rock listening session with the Marco, a local college student. So yeah, some students actually use these services to they actually work on this platform to get some sort of extra cash. So yeah, that's a great way to earn some extra cash online for yourself. Now, who can be a Papa Pal? Now, anyone can be a PAL as long as they meet these requirements. So you have to be at least be of an age of 21 and above, access to a smartphone, ability to communicate in English, authorized to work in the US, have an insured vehicle, as I've said, 2009 or newer, valid US state government issued driver's license, must be able to pass background check, motor vehicle report, commitment to arrive. So you're supposed to have all these requirements, especially on the license part, because you will be driving, maybe doing running a lot of errands. So what documents will I need? All PowerPal need a valid US state government issued driver's license, proof of insurance, payment information received. PowerPals must also provide their driver's license, social security number, and if they do background check. I think I've stated that before. So these are some of the FAQs that you're supposed to read. Right? How does PowerPal pay work? PowerPal are paid an hourly rate of all visits. So the base rate varies by location, plus you can earn bonuses based on how many visits you complete. From time to time, you can also earn additional bonuses for specific visits. When I paid, payments are processed within 2 days. You'll be paid directly to your bank account, no fees, no fuss. I think it's self-explanatory. So this is some of the testimonials also of some people, right? In an unseen connection, PowerPal Stephen, who's visually impaired, shares how his PowerPal Marcel, a retired veteran, helps him overcome loneliness and social isolation through the power of connection. So you can watch the testimonials on this particular button. There's a video about them talking about it. So these are some of the services that this platform is associated with, like the healthcare, things like that. Yeah, so it's something that you might be interested in if you live in the States and you basically meet the requirements. So as I've said, like, this platform has good reviews. Most of them are positive. For example, this lady, Yolanda Campbell, says, phenomenal experience. My members are great people whom build relationship with. I listen to their concerns and provide improvements or solutions. Great company to work for. They ensure my safety and improve on the services and scheduling to meet my needs, the needs of their clients. They also do reply. So yeah, it seems to me like a great platform if you can do this job and you're comfortable working with people or dealing with people and you're not an introvert. So it is not for people that are introverts. So you can't just sit on your computer and do the task, but you have to kind of visit, right? Get out of your comfort zone and be able to go to different people and do all these things, provide these services, and get paid for money. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope it will be helpful for some people that might be interested in this gig. And again, thank you for watching this video. Until then, see you on the next one.
Business plans, company profiles, letterheads, resumes, and proposals. All these are very important in setting up your business and yourself for success. Hi, my name is Koliambez and I'm a business writer, designer, and consultant. I specialize in crafting professional business documents and also offering consultancy services for different businesses across industries. The documents are well written, well researched, and professionally designed to suit each and every business needs. Now, get ready to stand out from competition and get your documents done today. You can reach out to me using the provided details, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.